In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube short with Shotcut. If you're new to Shotcut, don't worry, this will be simple and clear. The goal is to set up your project so it matches YouTube Shorts, a vertical video with the right size and aspect ratio. When you start with the correct settings, your edit looks crisp, fills the screen on mobile, and avoids black bars. Open Shotcut and look toward the top of the window for the Settings menu. Click Settings, then choose Video Mode. You'll see a list of common presets, which are mostly horizontal formats. For Shorts, we want a vertical setup. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that list and select Custom, then click Add to create your own preset. This is where you'll dial in the exact dimensions. Set the resolution to 1080 by 1920. This is just the classic full HD size flipped to be tall instead of wide, which is exactly what Shorts use. Next, make sure the aspect ratio is 9:16. That ratio tells Shotcut the shape of your video frame, and 9:16 is the vertical counterpart to the standard 16.9 used for landscape video. With 1080 by 1920 and a 9:16 aspect ratio, you're telling Shotcut to build your project for vertical viewing on phones. After entering those values, click OK to confirm. That's it. Your project is now in the perfect format for YouTube Shorts. From here, you can edit as usual, add your clips, trim them, place text, and adjust audio. Because you created a custom vertical mode, Shotcut will preview and process everything in that tall frame, so you can see exactly how it will appear on mobile. If your footage was recorded horizontally, it may look letterboxed or cropped in the preview. That's normal for horizontal clips dropped into a vertical frame. For best results, consider filming vertically for future shorts so your subject fills the screen naturally. A quick note on clarity: 1080 by 1920 is not the same as 1920 by 1080. Reversing those numbers creates a landscape frame which won't display correctly for shorts. Keep them in the vertical order, width first at 1080, height second at 1920, and you'll be good to go. And that's all you need to set up Shotcut for YouTube Shorts. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.